It's a new 2019 MINI Countryman. This Clubman has the looks and friskiness of a Mini in a larger package. That means 4 doors, ample cargo space, and loads of fun. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, leather steering wheel, streaming audio, rear parking sensors, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, first and second row power sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com proclaims the Countryman still upholds the traits identified with this brand, such as distinctive styling, nimble handling, and countless customization possibilities. Mini, let's motor. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.